Hello friends, today we will discuss about welding symbol. Welding symbol. According to AWS, American Welding Society, welding symbol is a graphical representation of a weld, or we can say that it provides a system for placing complete welding information on drawings. Simply we can say that welding symbol is a set of information and is used to communicate between designer and welder to achieve a satisfactory result according to given code. There are three main elements of welding symbol. Elements of welding symbol. The first one is reference line, required element, the next is arrow, this is also required, and the next one is tail. Now we will discuss about one by one all of them. Now we will discuss about reference line. Reference line is always drawn horizontally. The lower side of reference line is known as arrow side and the upper side of reference line is known as other side. The lower side of reference line is known as arrow side and the upper side of reference line is known as other side. Arrow side and this is other side, and it means both sides. Now we will discuss about arrow. Arrow is used to connect reference line. Arrow is used to connect reference line to the weld joint or area to be welded. Let us consider an example. First we will discuss about, consider a butt joint, reference line, arrow. This is arrow side and upper side of known as other side. This is reference line, this is arrow. Now arrow connects butt joint at this point. It means this side is known as arrow side. Arrow side of joint, and opposite side of arrow side joint is known as other side of joint. Other side of joint. Now let's take another example of lap joint. This is reference line and this is arrow. The lower side is known as arrow side, upper side is known as other side. According to definition, this side is known as arrow side joint, arrow side of joint, and opposite to this is known as other side of joint. Other side of joint. On the basis of these figures or joints, we can say that if there is any change in the direction of arrow, there is no change in the significance of reference line. There is no change in the significance of reference line. Arrow is used to define the side of the joint. Arrow is used to define the side of the joint. On the basis of this, we can say that this is arrow side and this is other side of the joint. Lower part of reference line is known as arrow side and the upper part is known as other side. Now we will discuss about tail. Tail of the welding symbol is used to indicate the welding and cutting processes as well as welding specifications, procedures or supplementary information to be used to making a weld. Specification used to indicate specification, process or reference. Tail may be omitted. Tail omitted when reference is not used. Tail omitted when reference is not used. These are the basic components or basic elements of any welding symbol. Now we will discuss about how and where the other elements are placed. First, basic weld symbol. The weld symbols are placed above or below the reference line. Let's consider fillet weld symbol is placed. Now it means we have need to make a fillet weld on arrow side of the joint, and if fillet weld is placed on both sides, it means we have need to make a fillet weld on both sides of the joint. Weld symbols are placed just above the reference line or below the reference line. If the weld symbol are placed below the reference line, it means we need to make a joint on the arrow side, and if the weld symbol are placed on the other side, it means we have need to make a weld on other side of the joint. And sometimes weld symbols are given on both sides, it means we have need to make a weld on both sides of the joint. Some symbols have no side significance, or arrow side significance or other side significance. Now we will discuss about dimensioning. Length and pitch dimensioning are always placed on right of the weld symbol. Just right of the weld symbol, length dimension is placed, and right of length dimension, pitch dimension is placed, and both are separated by a hyphen. Of weld, and P stand for pitch. Center to center spacing. Center to center spacing of weld. Now we will discuss about groove weld size and depth of bevel. Groove weld size and depth of bevel are placed on the left side of the symbol. The first, just left of the symbol is groove weld size. Groove weld size, and left of the groove weld symbol is depth of bevel. Depth of bevel, size and strength, size and strength for certain welds. Size and strength for certain welds. We can say that groove weld size is always placed between depth of bevel and welding symbol. Depth of bevel sometimes is known as depth of preparation or weld for preparation, a preparation of weld. Now we will discuss about finish. Finishing symbol is always placed above or below the weld symbol. Always above or below the weld symbol. This is finish symbol. Finish symbol. Next one, contour symbol. Contour symbol. This symbol is, consider an example to show how these are placed. This is reference line and this is arrow. Make a V groove weld, flat contour with grinding process. Now we can take another example. Finishing is done with the help of grinding. Now we can consider another example. Fillet weld with flat contour with the help of grinding process. These methods are used to notation for finishing method and contour symbol. Now next we will discuss about groove angle. A stand for groove angle. Groove angle or included angle. Included angle of countersink for plug weld. Plug welds. Now how the groove angle is shown? Let's see an example. Reference line, arrow, make a V groove weld, and groove angle is notation above or below the welding symbol with degree, above or just below the welding symbol. Now the next is R. R stand for root opening. R stand for root opening. Root opening and depth of filling for plug and slot welds. This dimension is placed within the weld symbol like this. 1/8. 1/8 is the root opening between pieces we have need to joint. Now the next is N stand for number, quantity. Number of spot, seam, stud, plug, slot or projection projection welds means quantity, and stand for quantity. Now we will discuss about field weld symbol. Is known as field flag, is placed either above or below and at an angle of 90 degree or right angle to the reference line, and at the junction of reference line and arrow. Field flag. And next important term is well weld all around symbol, is used to show the weld application made completely around the joint specified. This symbol is centered on the junction between reference line and arrow. Weld all around symbol. Elements on the reference line, elements on the reference line, elements in this area remain as shown when tail and arrow are revised. Thank you friends, thank you very much.